Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again here on Bitcoin Delight. As you might know, as you might be aware of, that was my goal for the last couple of weeks to reach my break-even point. So finally, I got to the point where I can say I made it to the return of investment. So by 23rd of March, I got the last payment from Genesis Mining and finally earned back 0.9247623 BTC so far. So just a good time to sort my thoughts about it and maybe give you guys an indication if I would go for the same investment right now again. First of all, although you might think the price over the time went up by 92%, I'm pretty much where I started. Um, that's what I found out. Because as you can imagine, during the whole hype of Bitcoin during December and when altcoins started to gain ridiculously high returns, over 200-300%, I invested this money from my BTC contract with Genesis Mining in altcoins. And as you all know, the market corrected itself and I pretty much lost all the gains I earned from this contract. How did this happen? Pretty much due to the fact that I bought NEO. So my average buying price for NEO was about, I would say, between 100 and $105 one NEO. And in between it went up to 150, so I thought it will reach at least a level of 200 like Monero pretty much. But yeah, I was wrong with the market correction. We are currently down to a NEO price. Let's check. Yeah, $65. So yeah, I lost pretty much 2 grand in there, and then I had to pay some money on my current knowledge in terms of dealing with high transaction fees for Bitcoin, moving my Bitcoin around from one exchange to another in order to buy this stuff. I tried to adjust the payouts and went from BTC to Dash, and the Dash price uh, went even lower than the Bitcoin price drop was. So Bitcoin price dropped about 10%, but Dash dropped about, I think, 25 or 30% during that time. So that's everything. What I will put in mind is pretty much that I'm there where I started when I invested this money. That was nearly one Bitcoin in the mid of March, during the mid of March. But yeah, I mean, the good thing is it's a contract with Genesis Mining, so it will go for another couple of weeks, I reckon, before the maintenance fees will just will lead to the result that they will cancel the contract, and then everything which is above from today's on, it's pretty much yeah, profit. Uh, It's quite harsh to see that I lost pretty much, yeah, 4 grand in terms of investing into the wrong stuff. But yeah, I don't know how you guys, what's your experience is in terms of how easy you can do an investment like this. That was the money I could afford to lose, so that's why I went just with Genesis Mining. But all the mental stress I went through this time from August to now, in terms of seeing the market going up, going down again, uh, some exchanges just cancelled registrations or had some security issues, and now with all the regulations, yeah, we are not really in a good spot in terms of cryptocurrency. And right now, I think a lot of people lost money because they invested when it was really hyped. But yeah, same for me. I didn't go for BTC instead. Yeah, I went for the altcoin stuff and paid the price. I mean, I also lost some other money on just trading, but that's a different cup of tea. Anyways, I wouldn't recommend to jump into the cloud mining anymore, because as you can see from those charts here, so I started pretty much here. It went up like this over 6 or 7 months now. Yeah, 7 months. That's a lot. I mean, the hash rate, it went up a lot. But one of the things which is really surprising, look at the end of January. We were at 15 million hash rate, and then spiked up in 1 week to 24 million. So there's a lot of devices out there who can really mine the stuff, and I think that was when the big payout drop, when I experienced the big payout drop. And for everyone who started in December, although the calculator maybe said due to the 20 grand price of BTC that it will only take you 40 or 60 days to get your return of investment, I think right now with those spikes, you probably have to consider that it will take you probably 10 months. If there's another big spike in here, then you will probably end up with 1 year. If you're going on some of the calculators right now, it's over 400 days the return of investment. So I'm quite lucky. I got back what I invested and lost all the gains due to some silly decisions I'd made. But anyways, just look where the market goes and just invest the money you can afford to lose. You hear pretty much saying everyone the same, but yeah, I'm staying invested in the stuff I have so far because I believe in the project, especially NEO. And yeah, I'll give you an update shortly to see how my open-ended Bitcoin contract with Genesis Mining goes so far. Alright guys, take care, and hopefully you will check the channel out rather sooner than later. Bye bye.